Welcome to day 14 of our course. Today we are working on a mini project where we will create a to-do list app using lists and dictionaries in Python. By the end of this session, you will have built a functional command line application to manage daily tasks. In this mini project, our objective is to build a simple to-do list app. This app will allow users to manage their daily tasks by adding, viewing, editing, and deleting them. We will use Python's lists and dictionaries to store and manipulate the data. Let's take a closer look at the core features of our app. Our tasks will be stored in a list with each task represented as a dictionary. Each dictionary contains key information such as the task's description, status, due date, and priority level. Here's an example of how the data will be structured. Each task will have these four important attributes. The core features of our app include adding a new task, viewing existing tasks, and deleting tasks. The user will be able to enter task details including the description, due date, and priority level. Once added, the user can view all tasks and even delete them by specifying the task number. In addition to adding and deleting tasks, the app will allow users to edit task details and mark tasks as completed. This functionality makes the app interactive as users can manage their tasks effectively, ensuring they stay on top of their priorities. Let's dive into the code structure. First, we will focus on the function for adding tasks. When the user enters task details, our addTask function will append a dictionary containing the task information to the tasks list. This ensures that the task is stored for future reference. Now let's look at the functions for viewing and editing tasks. The viewTask function will display all the tasks in the list, showing their description, status, due date, and priority. For editing tasks, the editTask function will allow users to modify the task details as needed. The app runs inside a while true loop, providing users with a menu of options to interact with the app. They can add a new task, viewing existing tasks, delete tasks, edit them, or exit the program. This loop ensures continuous interaction with the user until they choose to exist. Once we have the basic app running, there are several optional enhancements we can add. For example, we can implement file handling to save and load tasks, allowing the app to persist even after it's closed. We could also add task sorting or even advanced features like searching for tasks or setting task deadlines. By building this app, you will have practiced working with Python's lists and dictionaries, which are essential data structures for many applications. You have also gained experience in building a command line app and implementing core features like adding, viewing, and editing data. In the next step, you can enhance the app or apply these skills to other Python projects.